What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm Tim, this is Brandon, and today we're going to be doing a first impression on the Aspire Spryte. We're going to get right into it. So this is Brandon's fully assembled Aspire Spryte, and I'm going to bust this one open fresh out of the box, show you guys what's in it, and put it together with you. Right out of the box, let's see what we got. It's a cool little plastic tray. We got a warranty card. This is the user manual. It tells you guys like what everything is about. It shows like where the airflow vent is, the pod, the coil, and all that. So these are your extra O-rings and your extra juice stopper, which is going to be on your pod. I'll show you that in a second. You have your micro USB cord for charging. So the two coils that come in the box are the 1.2 ohm coil, which is rated better for salt nick, and the 1.8 ohm coil, which is better for like the 18 milligram, 12 milligram for those people who still vape the high milligram juices. This device is catered to that as well. So we're gonna bust it right out of the box. Let's see. It's the whole battery itself. It's a 650 milliamp battery, a bottom micro USB charging port. Gets a little cap for the mouthpiece here, which is pretty cool. I usually, on devices like this, I just toss it. I never really keep it around. Pull it out. This is your firing button on here. It's pretty cool. This is the bottom of the coil head where it makes connection with the battery. It does have adjustable airflow, which we'll get close-ups of that. Looks like you unscrew this piece, and this is the piece where one of the coils is going to screw in. And we're going to do the 1.2 ohm coil because we're going to vape salt nick on it. So might as well have the coil that's catered to it. Holding in our hand, get your juice bottle. I'm going to put a couple droplets. This is Summer Strawberry Salt Nick, available on saltnick.com, link in the description. Going to drop a couple droplets on the top so it soaks in. Want to be safe, more safe than sorry. You do not want a dry hit. I've read in the user manual that this is a 12 watt output of the device. So 12 watts on your 1.2 and 12 watts to your 1.8. I do not know voltage. So we're going to let that soak up. We have the pod here, and then we're going to now install the coil. Just put the coil right here in the hole at the bottom, screw till it's nice and tight. I'm gonna take a look at this adjustable airflow. I haven't seen this in a long time, especially for a salt nick device. So that's pretty cool. It just turns very nice and easy. I like that a lot. So this little orange piece is the juice plug right here. We're gonna put that, leave that open right here. Grab your juice, nozzle through, squeeze, fills up 3.5 milliliters. I'm still astounded by that. I have no idea how long this is even gonna last me. Okay, that's full. Put the plug back in, nice and tight, and that's it. Fits in like one way only, which is kinda, I haven't gotten used to it yet. There it is. Maybe 5 times on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. I'm just gonna pull on it without hitting the button to prime it a little more, bring the airflow through the coil. No spit back, it's not so flooded. We're going to start by taking small hits, get the coil warmed up. The coil is actually, the wire's made out of nichrome. I read that in the user manual, which is pretty cool, so it heats up nice and quick. First hit, not dry at all. Flavorful. Instant flavor, it's actually kind of incredible. I'm surprised. So the coil head is on wide open airflow. I'm going to do a mouth to lung hit on it first. Pretty airy, to be honest. I'm gonna close it off to test mouth to lung. I'm gonna try to straight direct to lung. It's a lot of vapor production for a 1.2 ohm coil, and this is 25 milligram, and I'm pretty nicked out. Whoa. So now I'm gonna try out, I'm gonna take this pod out, I'm gonna adjust the airflow at the bottom and make it a little tighter just by turning it. I'm gonna leave a little slot open. I like tighter vapes, especially on 25 milligram. I love to mouth to lung hit more than direct to lung. Let's try mouth to lung now. Much better. Wow. So tight. Flavor is actually way better, to be honest. Heck yeah. We're going to talk about this more in a different review on another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment what you guys want to see more on this channel. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks.